The future of foldable phones is here, and Samsung is pushing the boundaries once again. With the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 on the horizon, the tech giant is doubling down on innovation, durability, and premium design. But what exactly can we expect? Let's dive in. Titanium takes center stage. Samsung isn't new to titanium. First introduced in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, this ultra-strong, lightweight material is now rumored to make its way into the Z Fold 7. Why does this matter? Titanium offers a perfect blend of durability and elegance, giving the phone a robust frame while keeping it sleek. The Galaxy S25 Edge recently showcased titanium's potential, surviving brutal bend tests with ease. If the Z Fold 7 follows suit, it could mean a larger, slimmer design without sacrificing strength. But will Samsung stick with this strategy? Reports from South Korea suggest possible last-minute changes, so we'll have to wait for official confirmation. Design and dimensions leaked images hint at a taller, wider Z Fold 7, with dimensions reportedly stretching to 158.4 millimeters in height and just 3.9 millimeters thick when unfolded. That's a significant shift from the Z Fold 6, which measured 153.5 millimeters and 5.6 millimeters. The trade-off? A slimmer profile risks structural vulnerability, but titanium could be the game-changer, offering the rigidity needed for real-world durability. Plus, whispers of thinner bezels and a reduced crease suggest Samsung is refining the foldable experience like never before. Performance and features. Under the hood, expect flagship power, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, up to 1 terabyte of storage, and a familiar RAM configuration. But one glaring omission: charging speeds. The Z Fold 7 may stick with 25-watt charging, far behind rivals like the OnePlus 13's 80-watt. For a premium device, that's a tough pill to swallow. On the brighter side, Samsung might debut a redesigned S Pen, slimmer, with an electrostatic system for lower latency. But there's a catch. It could require charging, adding a new layer of complexity for power users. Should you wait? With a likely July launch and rumored upgrades, the Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a leap forward. If you're eyeing a foldable, waiting just a few months could pay off, either with cutting-edge tech or price drops on the Z Fold 6. Need a phone now? Opt for a budget temporary fix. But investing in another foldable today might leave you regretting it when the Z Fold 7 arrives. 5. The competition heats up. While Samsung refines its foldable formula, the competition isn't standing still. Google's Pixel Fold 2 is rumored to launch in August, potentially offering a cleaner software experience and AI-powered camera tricks. Meanwhile, OnePlus has confirmed it won't release a foldable this year, leaving Samsung and Google to battle for dominance. For those open to alternatives, the Pixel Fold 2 could be a compelling option, but with Samsung's proven track record in foldable hardware, the Z Fold 7 might still be the safer bet. The question is, will Samsung's upgrades justify its premium price tag? Section 6. Pricing and release date. Speaking of price, expect the Z Fold 7 to start at around $1,900, matching its predecessor. Samsung has a history of incremental price hikes with each generation, so don't count on discounts. That said, if the titanium build, slimmer design, and upgraded S Pen make the cut, the cost might feel justified for early adopters. As for the launch, history points to July. The Z Fold 5 and 6 both debuted in mid-summer, and Samsung seems to be sticking to that timeline. Mark your calendars for early July, but keep an eye out for last-minute surprises. Final verdict: to wait or not to wait. So, should you hold out for the Z Fold 7? Here's the breakdown. Wait if you want the latest tech, including titanium durability and a sleeker design. You're okay with premium pricing for cutting-edge innovation. Your current phone can survive a few more months. Buy now if you find a steep discount on the Z Fold 6 post-Z Fold 7 launch. You prefer a flip-style foldable, keep an eye on the Z Flip 7. You need a phone immediately and can't wait. For everyone else, Patience could pay off, big time. The Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious foldable yet. Whether it's the titanium frame, the rumored S Pen upgrades, or the refined design, there's plenty to get excited about. What do you think? Will you be pre-ordering the Z Fold 7, or are you waiting to see how it stacks up against the competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for tuning in.